हेलो एवरीवन। ये टैरो रीडिंग मैं कुनिका और फरहाना के लिए कर रही हूँ। उनके फैंस जानना चाहते हैं कि इनका बॉन्ड कैसा है, सेल्फलेस है या ऑन पर्पस है। So, according to this tarot spread, emotions are lack. So this relationship more exists more for convenience, security status than genuine emotional fulfillment. This relationship is comfortable but not deeply satisfying emotionally. There is lack of authenticity. इस बॉन्ड में दिखावा ज़्यादा है, ऑथेंटिसिटी लैक कर रहा है. What appears on surface is not true, not genuine. There is lack of communication or clarity. In this bond, one of a person is more focused on their goal or dreams. The dreams and goals are bigger than the person's experience or wisdom. The person is dedicated, devoted, focused to achieve something big. This is not any kind of karmic bond. So one of a person might feel not enough or unsure of her value in relationship, in this bond, in this connection. So one person is leaning too heavily on other for support or validation. No doubt this connection has potential to grow, long lasting abundance, prosperity. Need to check for balance. So in this bond everything look fine on surface, but within it is lacking of emotions. There is lack of honesty and loyalty and authenticity. Cards are showing that this bond, this connection is based on purpose, not on feelings, emotions, or sentiments. It is a practical relationship, or we can say connection, not emotional. Everything look fabricated, nothing real, nothing genuine. There is only one thing we can see, one hope that can give growth, positivity to this relationship, that it is based, like they both are not move on from past attachment, identity, belief. So that is the particular thing that is connecting them, and the card is showing that in future the relationship shows growth, positivity, or and it's not that they are hiding something from each other. See, so so everything is so transparent between both of them. They know what they are doing, and they know how far they have to go. So yeah, this bond, this connection is not based on emotions. It's mostly a practical relationship or connection or bond, we can say. Thank you for watching this video.